Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking business card for your business, brand, or any other institute or company. You can design your business card within a few minutes using Canva. So, if you don't know about Canva, it's a great site for beginners with no experience in graphic design, basic video editing, or creating documentation. The best part about Canva is that you can customize ready-made templates designed by professionals and creatives. So, if you haven't created your account on Canva yet, just sign up for one. After creating your account with Gmail or email, the interface will look like this once your account is set up. Now, in the search bar, type Business Card. If your business is about food, then you can type Food Business Card. If your business is about tech, type Tech Business Card. So, based on your business, just type the relevant keyword and Business Card. Now, your business is based on, you can just type that business and Business Card. So right now, I'll just type Business Card, and you can see there are lots of options. I'll just scroll down if I don't like any of them. And if you're not satisfied with these designs, you can keep exploring. After you find a good one, just customize it. For example, I like this one. It's a pro template, but you can choose free versions as well. You can see the free options are also really good and look professional. This one is free, so I'll go with this one. Let's customize this template. Just explore it, and after you find the right one, customize it. Now, you can access anything you want. For example, if you want to change the color, go to the Color option, and just like this, you can change whatever you want. To change color or edit the text, just click on it and go to Font Options, like this. If you want to change the color, go to the text color and change it. If you want to make it bold, you can do that as well. For the second page, just play around. Add your details, add your information, add your branding colors, and everything else you need. To add your own logo, you need to remove the existing logo and go to the Upload section and upload it from your computer. After uploading, your logo will appear, and, for example, this is my logo, and I will adjust it here. I will change the text name like this. Just modify whatever you like and add anything you want. After your design is ready and you're set to export it, go to the Share option and go to Download. If you want to print it out, it needs to be in PDF format. Just download it as a PDF. Or, if you just want to share it with viewers or someone else, download it as a PNG file. So download it in whatever format you need. Just download it, and there you go. You've made a great, professional-looking business card, simply by customizing templates made by professionals. It's a simple process. See you in the next video.